So hi everyone, in this video I'm particularly going to show you how to earn free Solana. But first of all, please, this is my channel and I want to show you how to subscribe. So this is subscribe. I just have 37 subscribers. Please get me to 500 subscribers this week, please. So subscribe to my channel and then click on your search and go to solincinerator.com. Now I have connected my wallet, and you have disconnect as well if you want, but then please make sure the wallet you're using for this is an old wallet, maybe the ones you have very little transaction, or perhaps move out your funds before trying this. Nothing is safe right now. So you're going to check here, you see cleanup, and before then it's going to take a while to load, but then you have a few things to clean up. So you check for this wallet. I only have so to be exchanged 0.04 so to be exchanged, and for some you may have way more to exchange, and so for now I have this, and this is what I can claim. And before you do this, please ensure you have a little bit of Solana in your wallet to be able to perform the transactions and stuff like that. But there's an old wallet I used, and I was able to get up to 1 Solana from it, from the transaction fees. And guess what? 1 Solana total reclaimed 0.04, reclaimed by closing 20 items, starting balance, new balance 0.04. So yeah, this is it. This is it, and this is what it's like to claim free Solana. And then if you have more orders, there are some that could easily be, you can easily bond them and get your soul back for what you want them for. So this is it. Actually, if you intend to use it for any stuff, you can actually claim your free Solana for here, and you keep checking them out, and each of what you have left, you can easily swap them back to Solana and use them. Thank you.